What does Rafinejei의 think healthy skin is? Skin that glows lively and transparently, as if one sleeps well every night. Moisturized skin all day long, by keeping moisture in the skin. Excellent technology to fundamentally block skin aging. Rafinejei의 presents you with a different tomorrow. Rafinejei의. As yin and yang work together to complete the universe. When the body and mind are in harmony and balance, complete beauty begins. In times that cannot be eluded, following the wisdom that governs the balance of yin and yang, will surely give birth to the power of a firm life. For thousands of years, condensed wisdom of Asia, legendary medicinal plants combined with modern technology, are reborn to become invincible power that is rising from the bottom root. With meticulous, sensational experience that even considers the stability of the mind, it completes the true beauty visible from the outside, as well as the invisible beauty inside. Thousands of years of Asian wisdom, becoming the anti-aging science that turns the clock back. Containing the wisdom of Asia, Rafinejei의 Rexri line. Story of Rexri line's raw materials. Rexri line has carefully selected the most beneficial ingredients for the skin among 3,000 medicinal plants having the wisdom of Asia. Rexri line uses hengidan, plant compound extract, which is made based on 동의보감, and 청심단, which is extracted from the herbal medicine used in the Wuwang Chongshimwon, as the base ingredients to immediately restore the tired skin from external stimuli and to improve the fundamental problems of the skin. In addition, a variety of herbal medicines are used to enhance and regenerate skin barriers and enhance skin elasticity. Rexri Creative Toner waking up the skin. In addition to the basic ingredients of Rexri line, Rexri Creative Toner contains jujube, portulaca, and peach extracts, which are excellent for whitening, exfoliating, moisturizing, and calming the skin. Rexri Creative Serum filling the skin from inside. Rexri Creative Serum contains walnut and eucommia ingredients, along with the basic ingredients of Rexri line, to recharge the moisture to the inside of the skin and make the skin texture softer and more moisturized. Rexri Creative Cream protecting the skin barrier. Rexry Creative Cream uses rhododendron extract and medicinal mushroom water, along with the basic ingredients of Rexry line, to soothe the skin quickly and solve fundamental problems of the skin. Start skincare with Rexry Creative Toner. Fill your skin with moisture and nutrition thoroughly with Rexry Creative Serum. The final step is Rexry Creative Cream that creates a strong moisturizing layer on your skin. With the philosophy and wisdom of Asia, Rexry line, providing the beauty of harmony and balance. The legendary medicinal plants with wisdom of Asia, combined with the Oriental medicine science of Rafinejae, have been reborn to become even more precious ingredients. The legend of the beauty of Rexry line. The legend is now with you. Rafinejae Rexry line. The treadwheel like today we live every day, deepening trace of time. Now is the time to put a comma. High-intensity care to fully rest the skin. Dr. All-in-One Serum. Through condensed energy to renew the skin, turn your skin time back. Change beyond expectations. Rexry Dr. All-in-One Serum. Have you ever thought about eternal beauty? When everyone wished for no change, Rafinejae discovered the beauty that becomes even more firm and solid over time. Rexry Dr. All-in-One Serum is a powerful and intensive total anti-aging care that wakes up the potential from the inside skin to restore the skin. Rexry Dr. All-in-One Serum combines the raw materials from nature with the unique skin science technology of Rafinejae to complete skin with different layers of light. It is excellent for calming the skin by using centella water instead of ordinary purified water. Centella, so-called tiger grass, helps improve skin elasticity and tone with a variety of vitamins and minerals, superior terpenoid, and anti-aging effect. It also contains herbal extracts to protect your skin from external stimuli and contains niacinamide, which is excellent for whitening, adenosine, which helps improve wrinkles, and peptide, which helps strengthen skin elasticity. To make your skin feel healthy and young by awakening the repair rhythm in your skin. You can take care of your precious skin easily and simply by putting all the ingredients you need in a bottle. Replenish the skin energy that escapes every day. Clear and more radiant skin. With strong anti-aging energy. Skin with new power. Don't wish for no change. You will become more beautiful. Your best skin moment. Rafinejeay Rexree Doctor All-in-One Serum. Rafinejeay, one that moves toward a more beautiful world through K-beauty that only it can do. We will continue our innovative research and technology development to deliver the first and best products to the world. Rafinejeay will change the world with beauty and become a beloved company. Rafinejeay, one that is creating a new standard of beauty.